join the Beam team because the technology was really alluring to me at first, and then the culture really sold it to me after.
This is the closest that I've ever been to essentially being close to the hospital, close to the patient, close to the spot where they're going to receive the treatment. And so what does Beam do? Beam essentially is doing some magic that is just awesome to be part of. I think Beam has an incredible opportunity to make a really big impact.
I saw an opportunity to be bigger and greater. It really gave me that drive to jump in to join Beam.
Everything we do here at Beam, everything we put forward is done very thoroughly and with great precision, and that's why the product that we produce and put forward is excellent.
The caliber of people that Beam is able to attract is something that I haven't seen in other roles in this area. Dare to Beam means to me to find new ways of doing things, even if it's the more difficult path.
What drew me to Beam was the interest in starting up a manufacturing team from the ground up.
We've built a beautiful new facility with room to expand, and we'll follow where the science takes us as far as where we're going to grow and where we're going to invest. We broke ground for the site in March of 2021. It's a 100,000 square foot footprint, so it's a great place to work and lots of opportunity to expand.
This is the area in the Southeast where there is the most growth and opportunity, and Beam North Carolina is obviously a great example of that.
Ultimately, Beam North Carolina is here to provide products for our patients, so different manufacturing modalities. We've got to build all of those skills within the site. Part of that is also making sure that we build the culture that we need in order to deliver those results. So recruiting, hiring the people, making sure that we have the right culture here.
I would tell someone who is interested in joining Beam that no matter what their role, their impact here would be felt instantly.
We still have a team that feels very, very cohesive and is moving towards the same goal and helping each other out and being flexible and being proactive. And I think that's really hard to maintain as you grow, and Beam has done that, and that's what's really amazing.
I interviewed at a few companies, but Beam was the one that stood out the most. I instantly felt cared for and valued.
If you want to see a diverse culture that really has a principle on excelling and looking at the bigger picture of why we do what we do, this is the place you need to be. You're in a place where a team wants you to grow, not only from the bottom, but also seeing you in bigger spots, so they give you those responsibilities.
Every Beam employee is committed to each other. We're committed to the patient, we're committed to each other's work, and it shows in the everyday life here at Beam.
Being able to come to an organization, build it from the ground up, be Beam's first internal manufacturing site, I take a lot of pride in that. And just looking forward to the future of all the therapies that we can bring here for patients.
When you get to the end of the day, you're going to feel a sense of accomplishment, a sense of reward, and knowing that you did something that made a difference.